Guys, welcome again. It's JV here from InfoHut, and today's guide is on how to restore a HP Pavilion X2 detachable laptop / notebook. So essentially, most of the time you'll be wanting to do this if you've been locked out of Windows and you forget your password, or the previous owner that gave you it didn't give you their password. If you want to just totally restore the machine prior to selling it, or even if it's slowing down, stuff like that, you just want to wipe everything and start from scratch. Now the good news is HP have a partition that's actually on your drive, where that partition is a recovery section. So what that means is, instead of you having to install USBs or CDs, stuff like that for Windows 10, you just need to put the actual HP into recovery mode. So very simple. The first thing you need to do is power off your Pavilion X2. Once you've powered it off, there right here next to the right of the control button, there's an FN button. That's a function button, and we're going to be holding that down and pressing F11 simultaneously. So what I mean by that is holding that down and pressing F11. Now you need to turn the computer on. Once you've done that, you start holding it down and pressing it. So let's do it. As you can see, I'm just holding that FN down and then tapping the F11 key. And you'll get a HP logo with it saying, "Please wait." Now what that's doing is that's entering the actual recovery and diagnostics mode of Windows. Now once you're in there, obviously you need to have your keyboard attached to the actual notepad. It just makes it a bit easier. You'll see some blinking of the screen. And then you're going to be greeted with a choose an option. Now if you're wanting to do a total wipe and restore, what we do is we go to reset your PC or see advanced options. So we go there, and then we want to pick reset this PC. Now what this leads us to is an option where we can refresh everything in Windows, reinstall everything, and keep files that are in My Documents and stuff like that. Now if you're wanting to do a total remove of everything, where it's going to delete any personal files that you haven't backed up, this is the one. So remember that when you select remove everything, you'll be deleting everything that is on that hard drive, and a fresh install of Windows will occur. So you click on that. And it'll give you this message, getting things ready. Now, all it is pretty much from here is a waiting game. So you just let it go through its menu options. One thing that I need to remind you of is that you do need to have it plugged into the charger. Most of the time it will give you a warning message if you haven't, so make sure you do that. Now we want to fully clean the drive. Once again, that's the option I'm picking. I want to total restore as if it was coming from the factory. And there we go. So what I'll do now is I'll pause the video once it gets to 100%. I'll show you what it's done. Alrighty guys, as you can see now, this has rebooted itself after it got to 100%, and it's back to the start screen of the Windows installation. All you need to do is just follow the prompts down here and you're good to go. Pretty simple process. Just remember the function key, hold it down, F11, tap it away when you turn power on. Cheers. Once again, thanks for watching. If this did help, please like and please subscribe. Thanks a lot guys. Bye.